Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Litecoin. As in my so many previous videos, I have been showing you that Litecoin has broken out a very big falling wedge pattern on a 7 days time frame chart, and this was one of those videos. And now if you take a look at the live 7 days time frame chart, then this was the falling wedge pattern that I've been showing you in my previous videos, and you can see that after the breakout, we had a nice short rally, but the price could not break out this long-term resistance of $100 that had been previously working at a resistance here and as a support here, and now after the breakdown, it is again flipped into resistance. You can see that after the breakout from this way, the price was rejected here and here and here, and for a while we broke it out here, but again the price had moved down, and now recently it has formed this down channel, and while moving inside this down channel, it has broken down this very significant uptrend line support that was found here in the month of June 2022. And since then, the price was not breaking down the support. And now here in the month of July 2024, we have finally broken it down. And after the breakdown, the price retested the previous resistance, previous support as a resistance and got rejected. And now recently, on the daily time frame chart, it has formed another down channel. And while moving inside this channel, the price has also formed this symmetrical triangle as well. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Litecoin that I shared a few days ago on 9th of September 2024 with my members. And this move produced almost 11% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start analysis, and first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Litecoin that I shared a few days ago on 9th of September 2024 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal cipher pattern that Litecoin formed with US dollar pair on a daily time frame chart. And this was a complete trade signal, a buying zone and sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has nicely moved up from the buying zone and read the sell targets on here, and so far it has produced almost 11% pump. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis, and I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me take you to the live chart of Litecoin. And first of all, let me show you the daily time frame chart, and here you can see that for the past several days since after 18th of March 2024, the price line is moving inside this quite long down channel, and you can see that the price line is testing the resistance more than the support. You can see that we had a bounce here and at the bounce here, this was another bounce, and despite this long spike here on 5th of August 2024, the price line did not break it down, recovered back, and we have so many rejections by the resistance as well, and now the movement is getting squeezed between the support, this uptrend line support, and the resistance of another symmetrical triangle that is formed within this down channel. The same resistance of the channel is working as a support for the triangle. For example, if the price line breaks down the support of this symmetrical triangle, then technical target to the downside will be here at the support of the channel, approximately at $48. And in case of breaking out this triangle, and the target can be here approximately at $81. And if the price then reaches there, then it can again break out this uptrend line resistance as well. If we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then you can see that this was a quite long-term uptrend line resistance that is now working as a resistance. Previously, it was working as support since after the month of June 2022. You can see that we had a bounce here, several bounces here, and finally we broke it down. And by the way, here we also have another quite long-term uptrend line support, and recently the price line is bounced very well from this uptrend line support, and at the same time it is also bounced from this long-term support of $50 as well that was previously working as support here, and now again it worked as a nice support. And if we take a look at this uptrend line support, then you can see that this support is coming from the month of December 2018 when we had a bounce here, another bounce here, and this was almost another bounce, and this is the most recent bounce that we have recently seen. And now the price line has reached very close to the resistance of this channel, and in case of breaking out the resistance of this channel, the technical target will be here at the top of the channel at $100, where we have this long-term resistance. And now if we take a look at the technical and long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, that move is still due, and that target can be here at the top of the wedge, somewhere between $400 to $500. So this was the update so far I hope that you've liked the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.